Well, hello everybody and welcome to Workshop Studios. Today we have a broken wind chime. You can see it there, down there. That's not the way a wind chime's supposed to look, is it? It's supposed to have all of those hanging up there. So, over time the string breaks on these. So let's get it in the shop and fix it. Okay, so here's the wind chime all laid out on the bench. And here's the pipes. Scooch it over a little so you can see there's five different sizes of pipes length. That's how you get the different tones. It's the same diameter pipe, but different lengths. And the other thing that it goes along with this is that it's tied with a string right through a hole there. You can see, oops, there we go. See that hole there? And it's important for these, when they ring, to not be dampened by what is holding onto them. So that's why a nice piece of string works well there. But string gets weathered over time and breaks. And so that's what's happened here. So the other thing about this kind of wind chime is it has, you could say, three different connectors. One is this connector, and that goes to the clapper part. And this, I have a little plastic deal that the wind blows and makes it ring onto the chimes with this. And then it's connected to the wind chimes themselves, to the pipes, with these strings, which is what broke. And then it's also connected up here. Look at this one here. It's connected here to the top so that you can hang it up in a tree or on a hook someplace. So I'll probably go ahead and replace all the strings. And it's kind of a weave, if you might, so that the pipes hang straight. You want them to all be the same level like that, so that they work well. All right. The other thing I'll do is probably I'm going to put a coat of paint on them. You can see that over time where the clapper hits them, it gets worn out and then starts to rust. So we'll put another coat of paint on these while we have them apart. All right. So we now put new string in that will come through here now that we've gotten them painted. You can see it's all nice and bright red. And these are all nice and dark black. So we're going to have a set of strings that come down to these and a set of strings that come up to this one. So let's go ahead and do that together. Okay, there it is all done. And just a couple of things to mention is that getting this all leveled up is a bit tricky, and I didn't want to bore you with all that, but that's just one of those things. Secondly is I put a spring on these things like this, and so that it tends to get it to bounce and ring a little better. This is a very gentle one, so anyhow, that works out fine. And then that's about it, I think. Just make sure that the clapper hits kind of low, I think. You can adjust this. But have fun with yours if you need to restring it. There we go. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Bye.